Hello, today I'm going to introduce you an off-grid type inverter independently produced and developed by TAICO. Here's the package you can see here, and the outlook of the inverter and the basic specification and the parameter of the inverter. Now here we can see 1.2 kilowatt in this weekend connection with a 12 voltage battery. Now let's see what will be included in the package. We can see a product manual and some screws for fit, and an inverter here. So here is the 1.2 kilowatt inverter. Let's see the label here has the basic specification for the inverter. You can see single phase off-grid inverter for 1.2 kilowatt hour. The waterproof degree function is IP21, and the basic specification here. Also here the switch will be turn on and off, and also the cooling system, the fan in two sides. And here the communication port and the BMS port. And let's see this side we have the ground line, the AC input connection and the AC output connection, and also the PV input port connection and the battery connection for the positive side and the negative side here. What's the advantage of the inverter? First, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, and overcharge protection. Widely PV input voltage range from 40 voltage to 450 voltage, and the mass efficiency more than 98%, and built-in 100 amp solar chargers, and the Wi-Fi remote monitoring. The working temperature range from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. If you want to know more about TAICO, please don't hesitate to check our website at taicopower.com. Let TAICO Inverter take good care of your smart energy life.